this video is going to be on how to change the thermostat temp sensor on a 2018 Cadillac CTS. Alright, so we got our 2018 Cadillac CTS and we are going to dive in and change this coolant temp sensor. Now I'll show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so we have to remove this top cover of the engine just to make it easier. It's real easy. There's just going to be a little bolt in there, and then we're going to have to remove this cap. Once those are removed, you just pop this up and then it'll be off. Just to get more room to work on it, I'm now going to take off the air intake. So it's just going to be this clip that's going to pop off, this band clamp, so it pops off, and then this band clamp, and this center section will come out. Okay, so now we're going to take off the intake manifold. We're going to start with the cover. There is 1 and 2 clips there, and then on this side it's going to be 3, 4, and then we're just gonna pop this connector out. All right, time to take off the manifold. You ready? So you got these 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1. Cut the zip tie. 2 in the back. 1, 2. And then it'll come off. Okay, this is the intake manifold out. Now, the last 2 bolts that I couldn't show you on camera are gonna be back here. This one and this one. Those are going to be the final 2 bolts to take it out. And there it is. Okay, so this is what the engine looks like. Now the temp sensor is going to be this one right here. So I'll show you how to take that out next. So this is the plug you need to take out. So the best way to do this is get a pick, and you're just gonna pull this red tab up, and then you're gonna put some leverage underneath it with a long screwdriver underneath the bottom. And while you're lifting up on it, you're gonna press this little black tab by my finger in, and it'll come right out. Right now, looking down there, you're gonna see that little gold temp sensor. We're just gonna go ahead and get a socket down there and take it out. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here is your cheat sheet for the sensor. So you are going to take your long vice grips. You are going to clamp them around it. Okay, once they're clamped, you're gonna take a screwdriver, long screwdriver, and you're gonna twist the vice grips to break free the tension. Once that is done, you are then just going to take your 15mm. You're just gonna put it on it like so. And then you're just gonna twist it and just keep repeating the process till it comes out. Okay, so the new one is in. Now, don't be alarmed when you take the old one out. It will spill out some coolant. It's not that much. It'll just seep out the back of the engine, just so you know. And then you're just gonna take your time, make sure you don't cross thread it, get it tight, and then we'll put the engine back together the way we took it apart. Okay, so that's it. We put the engine back together. We're gonna fill up any coolant that was lost, and then we're just gonna start it up. So that's how you change the engine temp sensor on a 2018 Cadillac CTS. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you want me to work on next.